Time once again for another nugget of information about your pet's health. Here is Dr. Langlois of the Pet Pantry of Lancaster County.
Hello again, everybody. Dr. Langlois here, along with my trusty feline friend Maverick, and it's getting around that time when we want to have Maverick have his yearly vet visit, and as all of you should be doing, hopefully with your pets when the time is right. And one of the things that we as vets ask that you bring in is a stool sample, and we'll be doing the same with Maverick. And a lot of people say, why do I have to pay the extra money to have a stool sample checked for parasites? Doesn't quite make sense to me. The stool looks fine. I don't see any evidence of worms. Why do I have to pay for this extra test? Well, what a lot of people don't realize is actually the value in all of the things we look for in that stool sample. Some of the worms that we look for, and parasites that we look for evidence of, can't be seen with the naked eye. We only see the eggs that they shed in the feces to let us know that they're even infected. But when you think about it, think of all the things that we as vets check for in that one stool sample from a parasite perspective. We check for roundworm, hookworm, tapeworm, whipworm, coccidia, giardia, cryptosporidium. We even will sometimes see evidence of fleas and mites in their stool sample because if these are on your pet's skin, your pet will groom them off and swallow them, and they'll pass through the digestive tract and they'll actually end up in the fecal sample, which we can pick up on and then look to see if we need to treat that. Keep in mind too that you want to make sure that you and your family are safe. A lot of times some of these parasites can be potentially zoonotic and transfer to you, such as roundworms, hookworms, tapeworms, things like that. So you want to make sure that there's no evidence of any kind of infection going on with your pet that could be spread to either other pets in the household or to you yourselves. So just kind of remember that while it does seem like an added expense, it is a very valuable test that we run really fairly inexpensively when you think about all the things, as I've shown, that we check for in your pet's stool sample. So next time you are taking your pet for their yearly vet visit, remember and make sure you're packing their poop. That is your pet health tip of the day.
As always, if you have any questions about potential parasite problems in your pets, be sure to visit any of these websites, and always remember, the best place to get the best information is not Dr. Google, but rather your local and trusted veterinarian.